In the dark waters of the Amazon lives a creature capable of generating enough electricity to stun prey, defend itself from predators, and even shock a human. It doesn't need claws. It doesn't need venom. Its weapon is raw electrical power. For centuries, people feared it, misunderstood it, and turned it into legend. This is the electric eel, one of the strangest and most scientifically important animals on Earth. A living biological battery hiding beneath the surface of South America's rivers. Despite its name, the electric eel is not actually a true eel. It belongs to a group of freshwater fish known as knifefish and is more closely related to catfish than marine eels. Scientists classify electric eels within the genus Electrophorus. For many years, researchers believed there was only one species, Electrophorus electricus. But modern studies revealed at least 3 distinct species, Electrophorus electricus, Electrophorus volti, Electrophorus vari. These remarkable fish evolved one of the most extraordinary adaptations in the animal kingdom, the ability to generate electricity powerful enough to control their environment. Electric eels live in the freshwater rivers, floodplains, swamps, and tributaries of South America, especially within the Amazon and Orinoco river basins. These environments are often murky, low in oxygen, and difficult to navigate visually. Unlike clear ocean waters, visibility in many Amazonian habitats can be extremely limited. To survive in this challenging environment, electric eels evolved a combination of electrical sensing, specialized breathing, and stealth predation. They are especially common in slow-moving or stagnant waters where oxygen levels may be dangerously low for many fish species. Electric eels can grow over 2 meters long and weigh more than 20 kilograms. Their bodies are elongated and muscular, perfectly adapted for movement through dense aquatic vegetation and muddy river systems. But the true marvel lies inside their anatomy. Roughly 80% of the electric eel's body consists of specialized electric organs. These organs are made of electrocytes, modified muscle cells capable of producing electric charges. When thousands of electrocytes activate simultaneously, they generate a powerful electrical discharge. Some electric eels can produce shocks exceeding 800 volts. That is among the highest voltages produced by any known animal. Remarkably, the eel itself remains protected from its own electrical attacks due to specialized internal insulation and physiology. The electric eel's nervous system controls its electrocytes with astonishing precision. Each electrocyte functions somewhat like a tiny biological battery. Individually, each cell produces only a small charge. But when activated together in sequence, they create a massive electrical pulse. This process resembles batteries connected in series, where voltages combine into one powerful discharge. Electric eels produce 3 types of electrical signals: low-voltage pulses for navigation, moderate pulses for communication and sensing, and high-voltage bursts for hunting and defense. This system allows electric eels to see through electricity in dark water environments where eyesight becomes unreliable. The electric eel is one of nature's most efficient aquatic predators. In murky water, prey can be difficult to locate visually. So electric eels actively scan their surroundings using weak electric fields. When prey disturbs this field, the eel detects the disruption instantly. Once prey is located, the attack begins. The eel releases a high-voltage shock that overwhelms the prey's nervous system. Muscles contract involuntarily. Movement becomes impossible. The victim is temporarily paralyzed. Recent research revealed an even more astonishing behavior. Electric eels can remotely trigger muscle contractions in prey animals using electricity, essentially forcing hidden prey to reveal themselves through involuntary movement. This ability makes the electric eel not just a predator, but an active manipulator of nervous systems. Electric eels use their electrical abilities defensively as well. Predators attempting to attack risk receiving painful or dangerous shocks. Large discharges can cause muscle spasms, loss of coordination, or temporary incapacitation. Though attacks on humans are relatively rare, multiple shocks can be dangerous, especially in deep water, where drowning becomes a risk. Historical accounts from explorers described horses collapsing after encounters with electric eels during river crossings. These stories helped build the eel's legendary reputation throughout South America. One of the electric eel's most important adaptations is its ability to breathe air. Unlike many fish, electric eels rely heavily on atmospheric oxygen. They surface regularly to gulp air, absorbing oxygen through specialized tissues in the mouth. This adaptation allows survival in oxygen-poor waters where many competitors struggle. Combined with electrical sensing, this made electric eels perfectly suited for life in swampy Amazonian ecosystems. Electric eel reproduction remains difficult to observe in the wild, but scientists know several important details. During breeding season, males construct nests using saliva. Females lay eggs inside these protected structures. After hatching, juvenile eels remain vulnerable to predators and environmental threats. Young electric eels initially produce weaker electrical discharges, gradually developing stronger electrical organs as they mature. As adults, they become apex predators within their aquatic habitats. Electric organs evolved independently multiple times in different fish lineages, but electric eels represent one of the most advanced examples of bioelectric evolution. Their ancestors were ordinary freshwater fish millions of years ago. Over evolutionary time, natural selection favored individuals capable of producing increasingly effective electrical discharges for navigation, communication, hunting, and defense. Eventually, this led to one of the most extraordinary biological systems ever evolved by vertebrates. Electric eels have fascinated scientists for centuries. Early researchers studying electricity used electric eels to better understand bioelectricity and nerve function. Their discoveries helped contribute to the development of modern neuroscience and electrophysiology. Even today, electric eel research continues influencing fields such as biomedical engineering, robotics, battery technology, neurobiology, bio-inspired energy systems. In many ways, the electric eel helped humans better understand electricity itself. As apex predators, electric eels help regulate populations of fish, amphibians, and smaller aquatic organisms. They influence food web balance within Amazonian ecosystems. Healthy populations also indicate functioning freshwater habitats. Like many river predators, electric eels play an important role in maintaining ecological stability. Although electric eels are not currently considered endangered, they face growing threats from deforestation, river pollution, mining contamination, hydroelectric dam construction, habitat destruction. The Amazon basin itself faces increasing environmental pressure. Protecting river systems and wetlands is essential not only for electric eels but for thousands of interconnected species. The electric eel is more than just a strange fish. It is a masterpiece of evolution, a living electrical weapon shaped by millions of years of survival in one of Earth's most complex ecosystems. A creature that transformed electricity into one of nature's deadliest tools. If you enjoyed exploring the shocking world of the electric eel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible wildlife and prehistoric documentaries. And tell us in the comments, which animal ability do you think is the most unbelievable in nature?